Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best round dining room tables on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Signature Design by Ashley Round Dining Room Table. The Signature Design by Ashley Round Dining Room Table is the perfect way to update your dining space. The rustic brown finish adds depth and richness to any dining area, and stylish stilted legs accentuate its clean-lined shape. This drop-leaf table will fit right in whether you have a vintage-inspired, country, or traditional style. This round table is perfect for small spaces. It can seat up to 4 people comfortably and also features hinged extension leaves that allow you to minimize or create more space for impromptu guests. It's ideal for an eat-in kitchen, studio, or apartment setting. Assembly is easy, and all hardware and tools are in the box. What we like about it: vintage-inspired design. Features a rustic coating. Easy-to-follow instructions are included. What we don't like about it: weak legs and wing attachments. Number 2. Doro Round Dining Room Table. You will love the Doro Round Dining Room Table if you have a tight budget. It gives you classic style and traditional charm with modern features and convenience. With 4 Napoleon-style chairs and 1 round standard height pedestal table, this set is ideal for family dinners or entertaining guests. The table features a beveled edge on the pedestal top, while the sturdy legs promise long-term durability and stability. Each chair has a comfortable seat height for anyone. The sturdy construction promises long-term use, making it an excellent investment for any home. It also has a 1-year limited warranty, adding additional value to your purchase. What we like about it: sturdy and long-lasting, compact and lightweight, features beveled edges. What we don't like about it: it needs better packaging protection. Number 3. New Classic Round Dining Room Table. The New Classic Round Dining Room Table is a quality set that provides lasting use and sophisticated style. The set has one 47-inch dining table and 4 chairs, all crafted of wood veneers and solid rubber wood for strength and beauty. The table has a uniquely designed reverse diamond match-in-air top, perfect for an elegant dining experience. The 4 included chairs are upholstered with padded seats and backs in light gray polyester fabric and boast a weight limit of 250 pounds each. This product also includes assembly instructions and hardware for easy setup. You can purchase the set in 2 beautiful color combinations: ebony and gray. What we like about it: crafted from wood veneers, easy to assemble. It comes with a warranty. What we don't like about it: the table feels wobbly. Number 4. East-West Furniture Round Dining Room Table. The East-West Furniture Round Dining Room Table is a luxurious and sophisticated piece of furniture for any kitchen or dining area. Its long-lasting durability, stability, and contemporary design will provide an eye-catching centerpiece for any room. An easy-to-clean surface adds to the convenience of this piece, making it easily maintained and always looking fresh. In addition, the product offers minimal assembly work, meaning it can be set up quickly and with little effort required. Its lightweight allows it to be easily transported and moved around. What we like about it: compact design for smaller rooms, modern and luxurious design, cutting-edge craftsmanship. What we don't like about it: you can easily scratch it. Number 5. Modway Round Dining Room Table. The Modway Round Dining Room Table is the perfect addition to any modern dining room. It has a unique and distinctive look, with its organic shape and minimalistic silhouette that makes it stand out from traditional dining room furniture. The 60-inch round tabletop has a durable chip-resistant lacquered finish over MDF, making it ideal for everyday use. A sturdy powder-coated aluminum metal base provides added strength and stability. The table is perfect for a breakfast nook, kitchen, or dining room, and comfortably fits 6 chairs. What we like about it: solid and sturdy base, long-lasting construction, decent measurements for ample space. What we don't like about it: the coating might start to peel off. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.